All right. This is awkward. Never done this before, but I am 1 month since I started selling things on Etsy with a 3D printer. Just one product, and it started off great. So I figured I will tell you guys my story, how I started, what I'm doing, and what I want to do in the future. So without further ado, I'm Craig, motorcycle enthusiast, and like to learn new things. Got a 3D printer I ordered it in December. It came in January. I spent January learning how to use it, and I'm trying not to get in an accident because I'm on the way home from work. Anyways, I learned how to use it and printed myself a helmet holder that found a design on Maker World and loved it and used it, and then found out it wasn't easy to mount. So I mounted it and I said, I can make a better one, or I can at least produce a better one. So went down the path. I've got a really good buddy. Shout out Troy. If anybody needs any design work, Troy is the man. I can connect you with him if you like. Anyways, started working on a design, made some edits, made a whole new file completely my own to avoid any issues with the licensing and stuff like that, because we did completely revamp, not even revamp it. It's not a derivative. It's a complete new file. So we should be safe there. I'm not a lawyer, but also I'm not making a ton of money anyway. So I just wanted to learn how to get a product off the ground and test it and make it work. So we have these new helmet mounts that have a flush wall mount design, stronger than the other guys that are, stealing other people's designs and just selling them. I use stealing pretty loosely because what's an iPhone and what's a Samsung? They're all derivatives of each other. Anyways, I work in marketing. That's my day job. So I do this on the side for fun, staying up late, waking up early, getting print started, going to work, and coming home and doing it all over again. So really love the journey so far. It's been a month. I've done $750 sales on Etsy and another couple hundred on between Facebook Marketplace and eBay and wherever the heck else I can sell them from. And really excited, really happy with it. It's only the beginning, I think. We'll see where it goes, but I just want to do a quick little video and let you guys know what I'm up to. And we'll see if I ever post one of these again. And hopefully I do. Maybe you'll get a look at my setup, what I've got going on. I ride motorcycles usually to work, but it is raining today, so which it doesn't. I live in Southern California, so we never get rain. But I figured I would hit the 1 month date. Actually, shoot, yesterday was the 1 month date from selling on Etsy. My first sale was the day after I posted the product, so that was cool. And really just looking to keep doing that. I got to set up all my Amazon stuff. I have the seller account. I just need to actually start sending things to FBA so I can get those listed. Created a TikTok business profile yesterday to try to get all the paperwork done with there. I had the Facebook paperwork done. So really just getting the distribution channels set up and learning how to do this. Launched a website a couple days ago or a couple last week. I got one sale off there so far with my buddy. Actually didn't even see didn't even know who's going to order, but that was cool. Shout out Alex. And really just seeing where it goes and having fun with it. So have a few product ideas coming up around, sharing Instagram profiles and really any motorcycle related products that can make your rides easier, your days easier, your parts easier, all that kind of stuff. Because I think that's a market that is definitely untapped on the 3D print side, or at least not tapped as well as it could be. So then obviously learning on YouTube like everybody else. So I figured I'd post something there as well and see what happens. And really love reaching out, watching the Samcraft stuff, watching Mountain Maker, watching everybody that just pops up on YouTube to do videos and learn how to do this. I feel like it's a bunch of people learning the very similar skills and going with it. And I love to put my marketing and tactic spin on that and really just grow with it. So my long run-on sentence is great, but I'm shooting on my red light, shooting on my iPhone and also shooting on my Insta360 video or camera that I double as a dash cam. Actually got a really weird accident video yesterday that I posted on Instagram and then use it on the motorcycle as well. So always recording, always seeing weird things that happen, posting them, and going from there. And then tying it all into hopefully selling some motorcycle helmet mounts. So Anyway, we'll see if I post this and we'll see where it goes, and looking forward to growing and learning and succeeding. So talk to you later. Let me know what you guys think of my run-on sentence. It's been almost 6 minutes now, and we will keep rolling. Anyway, see you guys.